Salve! Welcome to Easy Latin Part 7. In this video, we're going to look at different types of nouns again. So last time we looked at the second declension. We looked at how nouns are formed when they are in the subject, so when they're the nominative of the sentence, like dominus, servus, and argentarius. And we saw how they look in the object, so when they're the accusative of the sentence, like dominum, servum, and argentarium. So that's quite easy to spot which ones are the subject and which ones are the object. These are the second declension. Now that's what I called them last time, but they're actually called the second declension masculine nouns. That's because today we're going to look at something else, the second declension neuter. Bellum terribilis est. War is terrible. Ad bellum eo. I am going to war. Now both these sentences have the word bellum in them, but they're doing different things in the sentence. In the first one, bellum, war, is the subject. In the second, bellum is the object. Now this can cause a bit of trouble. How do you know whether it is the subject or the object of the sentence? This is the second declension neuter. It's different from the second declension masculine because the nominative and the accusative are the same. They both end in Now, there are some other second declension neuters that are quite common. Templum, the temple. So if you're saying the temple is big, you use templum. But if you say I saw the temple, you also use templum. Verbum means the word, and regnum means the kingdom. I have regnum crescit. The kingdom grows. In this sentence, regnum is the subject. In the second sentence, regnum video, I see the kingdom, regnum is the object of the sentence, the accusative. They look the same. This is the difference between the two sentences. So how do you know if it is subject or object? Well, the thing with Latin is that a lot of it is all down to sense. So read the sentence and see, does it make sense as the subject or as the object? Now, for some of these sentences, if we go back to the two sentences we had before, we have regnum crescit and we have regnum video. I know in the second sentence that video means that I am the subject. I am in charge of that verb, I see. So I know that the regnum cannot be in charge because I'm not a kingdom. So in terms of sense, you would say, I see the kingdom. For the one above, regnum crescit, crescit is a third person singular, so I'm expecting there to be a subject, possibly. So the idea that the kingdom grows, that makes sense in English, so it's all to do with making your sentences make good sense. Remember, the Latin makes sense, and so your English should as well. If you want to continue on your Latin journey, go and download my free Latin workshop. It's 1 hour long, it's on-demand video training, and it's got everything you need to start your Latin learning. It's completely free, and you'll also get all of my free guides alongside it. So sign up at the link below to get that sent straight to your inbox. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Bambasbat. Wale!